crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it has been a while since we've actually done a video about an unboxing or a box of the month, kit of the month, blah 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 blah. Which means that's really been good, right? Because that means we did finally cut back. We haven't been spending the money getting the boxes of the month and that. I mean, we're into February and look. So, with all that said, we got our first box of the month from Stitch Heaven out of Texas. Is a quilt shop, and we did sign up for their box of the month, block of the month program. So, kind of excited to see what's inside. This is our first one that we've received. So let's take a look at what's in here. So, it looks like this is the door kit block of the month club that we joined. And it was something that I'm sure popped up on Facebook or somewhere during the holidays that I decided I just had to have and I could not live without. And therefore, here it is. So let's take a look and see what came our way. I'll pick that up later. So this is the Happy Easter door banner kit designed by Jay Wecker Fresh of Great Joy Studio. The kit actually includes the door banner pattern, fabric for banner top, and the binding. Finished door size is 20 by 36. So I will be honest, this is bigger than I thought. I did see some of the other door kits, or not door kits, but monthly banners. But they were going to stitch out like 12 by 14 or 12 by 16 or something. And I'm like, I don't want a tiny banner. So instead, apparently we did find one that is our size. I'll be honest, I completely forgot I ordered these. These are Riley Blake, and I don't know if you can see that. So that right there should tell me this is going to be some pretty good quality. So when I'll open the box, let's look at what all is inside. Inside our package. All right, that time I made the garbage. So ultimately what we are looking to do is stitch out the banner, door banner, and it is going to have a big chocolate bunny that says Happy Easter and looks pretty adorable. Comes with the applique template that I will need to cut out. I will be honest, some of this is going to be cheated. Happy Easter. I have the AccuQuilt letter cutters, so we will probably use whatever font and size that turns out to be. Not so much into all the hand cutting, but we will see. I do like, I'm assuming, and looking at this white brown is the background piece, the background fabric for that. The chocolate bunny is really in this color, and how cute is that? I mean, that's that. Oh, sorry, y'all don't need the strings. And yes, I throw threads on the floor, and yes, it drives Curtis nuts, and yes, I forget to sweep up. But I think this would really make an adorable chocolate bunny, right? So it's just not a big bunch of brown fabric. They've got the companion fabric in green that the bunny is sitting in the grass. And then apparently the bunny has a big Easter egg. And that big Easter egg for the bunny is made out of this alphabet fabric. I don't know that would have been the fabric, my fabric choice had I chosen these colors. But Riley Blake thought it was pretty awesome. And oh, this must be the binding fabric, which is interesting. And then next to that, we have small circular eggs that are flowers, I guess, and we may actually use the circle cutter for those. And one of those, so those came with charms. So there's a purple, a pink, a light blue, orange, so several colors in there. So overall, for the first one, happy with this. I think it's going to be interesting getting this completed. It looks like there's going to be a lot of cutting, more so than I probably anticipated. The nice thing is I can probably get this done because I can put it on the sit-down long arm, as we're still a little intimidated by the big one back there. But eventually both of them will run and we will get these projects knocked out. So with that said, overall, I am happy with that box. I think it is pretty spot on, and I will give you an update if and how we get this completed. It is early February, so I don't know that I will get around to this till late February or possibly early March. I already have a quilt that I'm taking to my daughter for Easter this year that I did last year. But who knows, if this turns out right and it's this cute, she may end up with this one instead. So we'll see. But with that said, I appreciate you dropping in, taking a look at what we picked up for our next door banner kit. My name is John. You landed in Guys Craft 2. We have now, as of today, completed 2 live videos. We are trying to find our time slot and get a little bit more consistent about that. Please be patient over the next few weeks as we iron those things out. I thought I picked a time slot that was really going to work well for us, to only find out apparently we scheduled a lot of activities around the time slot that I picked, which was Sunday, late Sunday afternoon, and I thought we never did anything on Sunday. So we'll get it all figured out. But thanks for dropping in. If you like what you hear and see, please give us that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. We're well over 700 and on our way up to 800. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate trying to share this journey of crafting, quilting. We're still very new into the quilting side of the world. And so just, if we can figure it out and get this done, believe me, you can too. So with that said, I'm John, and until next time, happy crafting.